Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool ITT rotary wall telephone, and this is Katie's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now Katie's got a note with this unit, and she wants to have a modular line port installed on the inside of this telephone so that when she hangs this unit on a wall, she can simply plug into that line port and then plug into any modern jack. Now we also want to go through the transmit, the receive, the handset cord, the hook switch. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. It does not want to dial very well, so we want to take care of that issue. We also want to take a look at the network. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We're going to go through the bell and bell circuit. We want to make sure that the bell is adjusted and that it is working properly. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool ITT rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. I also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected to the network on the inside of this telephone so that you can hear the audio on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. Now it's pretty quiet today, but I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, January 10th. The current time, 5:44 p.m. and the temperature, 39 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool ITT rotary wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it back to Katie and she can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.